Hello YouTube, Byron at Splitting Slices. I got a 1 minute 2 for Tuesday video for you this Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. That means it's Happy Veterans Day 2025. To all the men and women who have served to protect our country, thank you so much for your service. 2 military knives for you tonight. The T-Kel Combatant. Nice 3-finger knife, pinky in the back. Beautiful clip, drop point blade. Just a fabulous EDC carry, also for self-defense. Second, Kinder Knives. Replica of the John Eck Commander Dagger. Micarta scales, 01 tool steel parkerized. A beautiful example. 2 fine military knives on this Veterans Day 2025.